Okay, afternoon video for you. So, two-way tables. This is weird because the sunlight's over here. It's gonna be weird. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Okay, a two-way table is a way for me to, or for you, to display two different types of information and see how many people or how many of something fits into the category. So, for instance, on this two-way table, we're talking about people liking yogurt or not liking yogurt. That's one thing of the two-way table. And the other thing is children or adults. Okay, so it doesn't matter where these things are. And I know that these columns usually look bigger than these ones, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so here I've got 3 children that like yogurt. And I've got 8 children that don't like yogurt. Here I have 7 adults that like yogurt, and I've got 2 adults that don't like yogurt. So we're missing a key part of this thing, and what we're missing is the totals. You've got to get me the totals. So for instance, I'm going to write totals here because I need to find them across, and I need to find totals here because I need to find down. So I'm going to add, right? So that's all a two-way table does. 3 plus 7 is 10, which means I had 10 total people liking yogurt. Here, I have 8 plus 2, which is also 10. That means I had 10 total people that did not like yogurt. So if I add across, I should have 20 total people that were surveyed for this type of two-way table. So let's add across to make sure that it is actually 20. 3 plus 8 is 11, and 7 plus 2 is 9, and 11 plus 9 is 20. So these have to interlock. They all have to fit. It all has to be the same amount. So now I have 20. So what do I do now? Well, I'm going to find the relative frequency. And to do that, I'm going to take every single number, even the total number, and divide it by the total number. So for instance, 3 is going to be divided by 20, and that'll give me a decimal, and a decimal is what I'm looking for. We can eventually get to a percent, but let's take it step by step. 7 divided by 20, 10 divided by 20, 8 divided by 20, 2 divided by 20, 10 divided by 20, and then 11, 9, and even 20 gets divided by that. Now, obviously, this will always be 1. Okay, so we will find the relative frequencies of that. Okay, and that's it. That's the first step of a two-way table. Very short video for today. That's all I'm looking for. Okay, there is a fever. The fever form is very simple. It's just one two-way table. You're going to make sure that the numbers match up correctly. Let me come over here so you can see me talking. You're going to make sure the numbers match up correctly, and you're also going to make sure that you get the relative frequencies. I want them as decimals. Let's not go to percentages just yet. So give me the fraction, and then put the fraction into your calculator, or use a Google calculator to make sure you get that. Okay? That's it. Two-way table. Done. Less than 3 minutes. Awesome. Bye. Now bye.